Money is one of the most important topics in our lives, but also one of the most misunderstood. We all have different views and experiences with money, depending on our background, culture, and personality. We all want to make more money, save more money, and spend money wisely. But how do we do that? How do we make better financial decisions and achieve our goals? How do we avoid common mistakes and pitfalls that can ruin our wealth and happiness? To answer these questions, we need to learn the psychology of money. Timeless Lessons on Wealth, Greed, and Happiness by Morgan Housel. The first lesson of the book is that no one's crazy. This means that people have different views and experiences with money, depending on their background and culture. What seems rational to one person may seem irrational to another. For example, some people save every penny they earn, while others spend it all on luxury items. Some people invest in risky assets, while others stick to safe ones. Some people work hard for money, while others inherit it or win it. Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger are investing legends with totally different styles. Buffett is the frugal guy, buying undervalued companies to hold forever. Munger is the risk taker, betting big on high-growth companies. Both have made billions and respect each other's unique approaches. Lesson 2. Luck and Risk. Money outcomes aren't just about effort. Luck and risk play huge roles. Being in the right place at the right time or having a unique talent can lead to wealth. Conversely, unexpected crises like pandemics or mistakes can cause financial setbacks. The stories of Bill Gates and Ronald Wayne are concrete examples of how luck and risk affect financial outcomes. Despite being the founders of Microsoft and Apple, they had very different fates. Bill Gates is one of the richest people in the world, with a net worth of over $100 billion. He was lucky enough to be born into a wealthy family, to have access to computers at an early age, and to meet Paul Allen, his partner at Microsoft. He was also smart enough to take calculated risks, such as dropping out of Harvard, licensing DOS to IBM, and investing in other companies. Ronald Wayne is one of the poorest co-founders in history, with a net worth of less than $500,000. Driven by his risk aversion, he sold his 10% stake in Apple for only $800 just 12 days after co-founding the company with Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. Today, that stake represents $280 billion. For comparison, Elon Musk, currently the richest person in the world, has an estimated net worth of $246 billion at the time of writing the video. The third lesson is never enough, or how greed and envy can ruin your life. In other words, no matter how much money we have, we always want more. We compare ourselves to others who have more than us and feel unhappy and dissatisfied. We chase after more money, sacrificing our time, health, relationships, and values, thinking it will make us happier, but it often doesn't. Never enough is a common trap many people fall into because they don't realize that there is no reason to risk what you have and need for what you don't have and don't need, according to Warren Buffett. Bernie Madoff was one of Wall Street's most successful and respected investors, managing billions of dollars for his clients. He had a lavish lifestyle, a loyal family, and a prestigious reputation. But he was also running one of the biggest Ponzi schemes in history, defrauding thousands of people from their life savings. He was greedy enough to want more money than he could legitimately, and he lied to everyone who trusted him. He ended up losing everything he had, including his freedom, his family, and his dignity. Fourth lesson. Confounding compounding is a powerful force that can make or break your wealth. Put simply, even small differences in growth rates can lead to massive disparities in outcomes over time. For example, if you invest $10,000 at a 10% annual return, you will have $67,275 after 20 years. But at a 20% annual return, you will have $383,376 in the same time. That's almost 6 times more. Compounding works both ways, though. If you borrow money at a high interest rate, you will pay much more than you borrowed. The fifth lesson of the book is that getting wealthy and staying wealthy are not the same thing. Many people who get rich quickly lose it all soon after due to poor habits. They start spending more than they earn, wasting their time and money on activities that have little or no value or benefit. On the other hand, some people who stay wealthy do so by saving and investing money wisely, reading and learning new things, tracking progress, and celebrating wins. The book's final lesson is to define success and happiness with money on your own terms. There is no one right way to use money or measure wealth. Everyone has different goals, values, and preferences regarding money. Some people want to accumulate as much as possible, while others prefer to spend it all. Some people want to live a lavish lifestyle, while others want to live a simple one. Some people want to retire early, while others want to work forever. The key is finding what works for you and makes you happy. That's it for The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Don't hesitate to grab his book if you want to know more about it. The link is in the description. Thank you for showing support by hitting the like and subscribe button. Until next time. If you want to know how to become rich quickly, click on the video right here.